Hello friends, welcome to our channel Sukoon FM English. Today we listen episode number 71 of Secret Sanilla Shadow King story. If you enjoy the story, please like the story and share the story also with your friends in WhatsApp groups. Friends, if you visit the Sukoon FM channel first time, please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon also. Let's begin the episode number 71 Secret Sanilla story. There were four roads at Radisson Square in four different directions. Two roads, one to the city's center, one was headed towards a village and another to the outskirts of the city. After the police analyzed the situation, they all thought the robbers were going to the village. They must have gone in that direction. So they all went towards the village and the heavy road leading the village on the road. There were clear tire marks. It was evident that they were tires of four wheelers. All the policemen left, but Samar was still standing near the van. Sniffing the air, he took a deep breath and said, "No, they did not go towards the village. They all went back towards the city." His nose was very sensitive when he tries to stop Jia. He had applied a special powder on his body. The smell of the powder made Summer feel a sense of displeasure, and that smell was coming from the road leading back to the city. A wise man once said, "The most dangerous place is something that the safest place." Not only were these robbers ruthless, they were also clever. The empty van and the truck wrecks heading to the countryside were all a cover. It was all fake. Summer smiled lightly and turned to walk towards the city. At this time, in an abandoned building next to the Saraswati River, the robbers had tied Zia to a chair. Her beautiful face and turned pale. Zia's beautiful eyes blinked open. She suppressed the fear in her heart and said loudly, "Do you know who I am? If you want to save your life, let me go quickly." The one eyed man laughed. His eyes looked even more ferocious because the smile. He laughed and said, "That man just called you his inspector. There is only one female inspector in the whole city of Indore. So we know you are the same violent policeman Jia." Saying this, he started laughing loudly again. He was a criminal who had violated the law many times in Indore city and was well known to the city police. Jia suddenly remembered that in the past 1 month there was a robber act in Indore city who was robbing gold store, stopping malls and banks. He whispered, "Oh, I remember where I saw you. You are a one-eyed dragon. The whole Indore city knows you as One-Eyed Panther." This one-eyed boy was clever and his goals were clear. Whenever he committed a robbery, he used to make a very dangerous plan and used to change 4 or 5 vehicles on the way so that the police could not track him. Jia's eyes became a little stable and she saw that a middle aged man was standing in the empty room with a mark on his face. The man became silent as soon as he entered the room, had a great time with Panther and all his friends. Trying to recognize the middle aged man, Jia asked, "Kareem Khan, is that you?" That middle aged man had a big injury mark on his face. He was none other than Kareem Bhai, the owner of D&D Bar. He was the owner of his own family behind the name of D&D Bar. Some time ago, Jia tried to inquire about a bar, and but the people there gave her drugs, and she almost got raped that day. Then Summer saved him. after which Jia got the bar sealed, but his master Karim Bhai had run away. Karim Bhai looked at Jia with a mischief smile and laughed loudly and said, "Dear Inspector Jia, I did not expect you to come into my hands on your own. You will go." Her face was full of cruelty. Karim Bhai was very angry with Jia. The last time he met the police woman while he was dealing with a man, the mysterious young man broke more than half of his bones. He lived every moment and remembered that the boy, and the more he loved, the more he got angry with both of them. The more he wanted to take revenge, and on this police woman went my anger. Karim Bhai smiled and said to the one-eyed man, "Brother, this girl is very beautiful. Killing it like this would be an insult to its beauty. We are not taking advantage of its beauty. You should pick it up." He had a devilish smile on his face. Thieves number two gave a vulgar smile and agreed with Karim Bhai. He said, "Yes, brother, Karim Bhai is absolutely right. This girl is very beautiful. We can have fun with it and take pictures of it so that we can use it in the future as well. We can take advantage of it." He was in fact the smartest of the four, having the power not only to touch Jia but also to kill her. He had such a rotten plan to keep the photos. The one eyed man agreed with him and with a cold smile and said, "Karim Bhai, number two, you guys are right. I don't want to kill such a beauty girl. Take off his clothes and take pictures of him." Jia's face turned pale after hearing the one eyed man's words. There was fear in his eyes. There was a glimpse. These disgusting people wanted to take pictures of him too. He was not going to let that happen. Zia had a special identity. She usually did not want to reveal it, but she herself to save him and scare away the robbers. He thought he should tell this. He to save myself and decide to reveal my background. Seeing the obscene smile on the one-eyed man and the rest of the people, Jia finally said her, revealing his identity and said, "Listen, think 100 times before touching me. My father is a SP of Indore. If you dare to touch me, he will not leave you alive." She was hoping that they would get scary by this. Eventually, the police SP of the whole district used to control the police. Hearing this, the expressions on the one-eyed man's face changed, and a heaviness was visible in his eyes. He muttered softly, "What? You are the SP's daughter?" If the girl standing in front of him had been normal, then there would be been so no problem in killing her. But the girl in front of was the daughter of the police SP. This was a big issue. If they had not handled it properly, the consequence could have been very serious. Not only one-eyed man, Karim Bhai and the others' facial expressions also changed. This was a big blow to them. Obviously, Jia's identity made them worried. Number two's face turned dark and he said to the one-eyed man, "Brother, the job is done. Do you think that even if we leave this girl, the SP will leave us? Never. Now we are in a bad moment. Even if kill him, even if we die, no one can save us." Karim Bhai smiled slightly and said to the one-eyed boy, "Brother, we have done a lot. We have all scandals. Even if we commit one more scandal, nothing will happen. Once When we are done with this, we will live in Indore city. No one catch us can. Karim Bhai hated Zia's very much and wanted to kill her. This woman had ruined his entire business and he had lost crores of rupees because of this. Because of this girl, he had become a most wanted criminal and was the top of the police list. The one-eyed boy smiled coldly and listened carefully to the suggestions of number two and Karim Bhai. Then he looked at Karim Bhai and said, "Okay, Karim Bhai, I am ready to listen to you." He was a dreaded criminal who had committed countless evil deeds. On days when he did not do anything, his hands would start itching. A dirt and devil's smile appeared on his face. He laughed and said as he moved towards Jia, "Police SP's daughter, if I leave you like this, even after knowing this, what respect will I have left in the underworld? Now see what I do to you." Saying this, he looked towards number two and with a devil's smile said, "Number two, bring the camera. And now leave the pictures, directly make a video." Saying this, he continued moving towards Jia. Jia's face turned pale. Her eyes were filled with terror. She wanted to run away, but she was tied very tightly and she could not move at all. She was a little nervous and said, "Wait, my father is SP, Yashwant Singh Shekhawat. If you do anything to me, he will not leave you alive." Yashwant Singh Shekhawat was the superintendent of the police of Indore city and he had a lot of power. He had caught countless criminals and used them for criminal activities. It was also known as Abshab. If it would have been someone else, he would have started trembling on the hearing the name of the Yashwant Singh Shekhawat. Ziaz wanted to escape Scar these thieves also by using her father's name, but she did not know that the thing was not these thieves did not care at all about Yashwant Singh Shekhawat. These thieves were not gangsters. There were more modest criminals who only cared about money and girls. The one eyed man said with a cold smile, "Zia, although your father is very powerful, but when we are done, we will leave the Indore city. Let alone this country, the world is very big. He will not be able to catch us." His face was cruel. What will happen in the next? Can Summer save the Zia? Stay tuned with Sukun FM English. If you enjoy the story, please share the story with your friends in WhatsApp groups and like the story also and leave a comment in comment section also.